Saligao, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Saligao. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Saligao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Saligao police is yet to arrest the accused Jagannath Bhagat in the Saligao double murder case which was committed on 6 November 2025. Intensifying the efforts to nab accused Jagannath Bhagat, now Saligao police has issued lookout circular which have been circulated all the police stations across country to trace and arrest the accused Jagannath Bhagat. On 6 November 2025, body of Richard DeMello and one Abhishek alias Sonu was found in a house at Saligao. After checking the CCTV footage, police learnt that this accused Jagannath Bhagat had committed the murder and then escaped from Goa. The investigation in this case is stuck as the accused Jagannath Bhagat is still absconding. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.